Hi fellow flowers, Violet here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the twisted cobra stitch by demonstrating using a makeup brush. So I had this old thing laying around looking ugly and we are going to be giving it a makeover. So I have two different colors of gimp or craft lace, and I've cut these to be about 1.5 meters long. So depending on the length of your makeup brush, you may want to do more or less. And to start, pretty much all you do is tie a knot around the base of the brush. And this could be a brush, it could be a pen, it could be whatever you want it to be. Anything that needs a makeover, this is the way to go. And now I'm just tightening that up. And to keep everything in place, I'm going to do a little bit of super glue, just a dab. Now, if you are clumsy like me, please ask for help with this. I'm sure an adult would love to help you redecorate some makeup brushes. Alright, and now to start the actual stitch, you're going to pull one strand to the left and one to the right, and you'll have the knot on the back of the brush and you're looking at the front. Now, I'm taking my purple sparkly string and I'm pulling it across the front of my brush, and then using my clear string, I'm going over that strand and behind the brush and then through this loop right here. And I'm going to pull that string all the way through. And like any good old lanyard, next you want to pull it all tight. And now we're going to do the exact same thing again, except now my clear string is going to be the string that crosses over the front. And then I'm going to hold it down with my thumb, like so. And then this purple sparkly string needs to go over the clear string, behind the back of the brush, and through the loop right here. And again, you'll pull that all tight. So the way that this cobra stitch is twisting is that you're always starting on the right by pulling the right string across the front and having the string on the left go through the back. So you could do this the opposite. You could do it always going to the left. But the idea is that you're always starting with one direction, and that's going to start the twist. So I'm just going to continue doing this pattern of crossing the right stitch over the front of the brush, and then taking the left, pulling it down over the strand, going behind the brush, and then through the loop on the right. And then I'll show you what that looks like when I'm all done. Alright, and here we go. My makeup brush is looking super bedazzled. And to, complete it all, make sure everything stays in place, I'm again using a couple drops of super glue. Again, ask an adult for help if you need it. Don't be stubborn, just ask for help. And then you can trim off the strings, or you can tie a knot really quick to kind of just like double check it. And there you go. That is how you refurbish your old makeup brushes using the twisted cobra stitch. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Keep blooming. Bye.